Welcome back to our channel. The freelance market is growing rapidly and offers endless opportunities for those who are willing to put in the work. 1. Specialize in a specific skill or industry. The more specific your expertise, the more valuable you will be to potential clients. 2. Create a strong online presence. This includes a professional website, a LinkedIn profile, and a portfolio showcasing your work. 3. Network. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with other freelancers to expand your reach and find new clients. 4. Be proactive in your search for work. Don't wait for clients to come to you, actively seek out new opportunities and pitch your services. 5. Stay organized and manage your time effectively. Freelancing requires discipline and the ability to balance multiple projects at once. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your freelance journey.